Dancers, how you doing? You've been dancing? If you haven't, you should be. Regardless if you're at home, by yourself, in a gazebo in Virginia, keep dancing, like we always say. It's myself, Fingers, Miss Stephanie. We got something brand new to share with you. Hope you use it, whether you're social, compete, just love to dance like we do. Hope you use it and like it. Sugar push, 2, 3, and 4. Whole thing here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You didn't see all that well? That's okay, that was planned. We'll turn and do it another way so you'll see. But first, let's get into it and show you how it is led. West Coast swing is on a track, forward and back with the ladies' own. Guys, you're going to have to get off the track immediately to start this. So sugar push, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Look over left hand, don't need it. By 1, pull her forward. Guys, move off the track to your right. 1. Take your right arm, present a hook. Like you're walking down the aisle. Hook her arm. So if I do this with her arm, or my arm, she's going to know, oh, I got to give him my arm. Sometimes they don't. Sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2. So pulling her forward starts her momentum. 2, we hook the arm. So let's go in front to back so you can see how that flows with me presenting the hook. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2.
And that leverage is important that he gives to me and I give back because the rest of the move is going to come off of here.
I immediately, as soon as I feel her armpit or elbow, I start leaning back to my left. So she'll obviously do the opposite, so we have that leverage. We have a move called leverage. Check that move out. Okay. The next part is a triple step. It's counterclockwise movement. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I go 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's a counterclockwise moves for both of you. Guys, when you get to 2, stay there, but travel around, move to your left, counterclockwise, so she can accelerate the walking. So front to back so you can see that part. On a sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Or 1, 2, accelerate. But I'm giving her that momentum for what's coming up next. So if it's walking slow, the next part probably doesn't gel very well. But accelerate the move. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Then from there, we're going to do a big turn for her. Show this to her. Never danced with her before. Show it to her first. Just be kind. We're going to do it first. Okay, it's the 2 steps to get to that. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I didn't do my ending, but you want to go 5, 6. Connect with her arm as she's rotating. Keep connected to her because if you're not, you're going to lose her. So we're going to go into it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Arm comes straight down. 5, 6. So we're not really touching. We're just reaching forearm to forearm. 5, 6, and continue turning her. 7 and 8. I didn't explain my part there, but you got to see that rotation. Never lose control of her arm because that's the only part of you that's touching. So let's go here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So the ending for me, she's finishing her triple by doing the triple step. Guys, what you have to do, and we're going to go this direction coming through. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. What I do with my arm is 7 and 8. I come underneath her left arm, connect with her back. So her arm just comes up and under the arm you've been using to turn her, and you get into close position. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Present the hook. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So underneath the arm, that's a connection. Okay? From there, we're going to do it this direction because she's in close position from that point. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I move off to her left to start. Now the basic way to get out of this is just walking her forward. 1, 2, she does a triple step back on the track. Guys, stay off to her right. You don't got to do your footwork. I don't do my footwork because I want her to be fancy. But for what you want to do from here, she's going to do something different. She's going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. She comes forward. 1, 2. There's a ronde. Triples it back. It's cool. I don't want to see it because it's cool. It's all her thing. Guys, you do your 1, 2, triple, triple to the side. Get back on the truck when you're done. So the whole thing. Whole thing. Sugar push. 3 and 4. Present the arm. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pretty cool. Do you like it? I know you can't respond, but put a comment. Tell us if you like it. If you don't like it, she picked the move. I didn't pick the move.
I pick the location, he picks the move.
I don't believe that. Anyway, guys, hope you like it. Thanks for watching, by the way. Remember to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so. We'll send you a new video every time, every week. We'll pick new locations, and we hope you enjoy them. Until next time, have a great week. And as always,
Keep dancing.
we didn't plan it, but it came out well.
Bye.